Hey divas, so in today's video I'm here to share with you guys this look that I am rocking right now on my eyes. So if you guys are interested, then definitely go ahead and stay tuned.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all. Standing tall, fear outweighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
Okay divas, so now that you guys have seen my demo, I'm here to give you guys my review. And I know I am pretty close. It's because I'm using a close-up lens, so if you don't like being this close to me, then just get used to it for this video and probably future makeup videos. But anyways, I'm here to tell you guys how I feel about this palette. I've had it for like 2 weeks now and I have not gotten to get around to do my tutorial on it. I have been using it. I really do love this palette. It's so freaking pretty and I really love the look that I created. I think it was my last video, one of my last hair videos. It was the same look and I just really liked it. I was like, oh my gosh, I have to recreate that for my demo and my review. But overall, I really do like this eyeshadow palette. It is so pretty. I love the color story. Now I know you guys, if you guys have been around for a while, you're like, girl, that's a lot of color for you, but I really love this color story. I know you guys have seen this millions of times on YouTube and Instagram and just everywhere, but I really do love this color story. It's just really beautiful and bold for the summertime and springtime, and I just feel like it's just super pretty and I can't wait to create more looks for you guys with this palette. And yeah, overall, I really do like it. I did not experience like excessive fallout. There was some fallout. I feel like with all eyeshadows, you're gonna have fallout. I don't know. Like, I've never had an eyeshadow that didn't have fallout, but it was not like excessive. The colors are very pigmented. You do need to keep in mind that you need to use a nice base. I just use concealer. You can use that, or you can use an actual base, but I did like to use, or I did, excuse me, use a lighter concealer just so that the eyeshadows can actually stick to my eye as well as pop. So I like to do that. So just in case you know, probably use like a regular base that don't really have like a lighter color to it to be like a base, you might want to try that out. That's just what works for me. But yeah, overall, I really do like it. I love the amount of mattes that they have. I love the colors. The only thing that I feel like this palette is missing is a black. I feel like we could have definitely gotten a black in this palette. But it is very colorful, and I can always just grab one of my other Anastasia eyeshadows or one of the other eyeshadow palettes. So that's not really a big deal, but I feel like a black would have like perfected this eyeshadow palette. So but overall, I really do like it, and I would definitely recommend it. It's definitely different, very colorful, very bold, very vibrant. I loved all the colors. All the colors really stand out, and they are very, very nice. Like, they're nice and creamy. The metallic colors and then the matte colors are very bold, and I don't expect anything less from Anastasia because her eyeshadows are just amazing. I love all of her eyeshadow palettes. I have most of them, so yeah, I would definitely recommend it because I just love Anastasia's brand, and the eyeshadows especially are my favorites. So I would definitely recommend it, especially if you are looking to like expand and like do something colorful. I would definitely recommend it. But yeah, divas, that is pretty much it. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this eye look, and I hope that you have found it very helpful and easy to follow. If you fabulous girls did, then go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Be sure to go ahead and leave me a comment down below. I would love to know what you fabulous divas are thinking, and let me know if you picked up this palette or what you think about this palette and the color story. And be sure to go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already, and also hit that notification bell, girl, because I do upload quite often and you definitely do not want to miss any of my videos. But yeah, divas, thank you guys so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it, and I'll see you gorgeous girls in my next video. Bye.